Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add your Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to hit on to your Squarespace website editor. So this will be yours, my sample page. So now you want to go to this website called elfsite.com. From here you want to create an account or log into your account, which is by simply answering your email address and clicking start. So after logging into your account, just simply click on wages. Click on wages and simply search for Facebook. And as you can see right there is the Facebook feed wages. So let's just click select, and then now there are bunch of different templates you can find here. So let's just for example select this Facebook post. Now let's just click on the continue with template. Okay, now you want to connect your Facebook account to the website. So for this just an example, I will not be continuing mine. I will just be showing you how to add it to Squarespace. So let's just click on the add to website for free. Okay, so after adding it, just click on publish in the upper right corner of the screen and select the free version, and we are all done. And as you can see, there is the code right here that we want to copy. So let's just copy this code and go back to squarespace.com. Now from here just select any selection you want to add in your Facebook feed. For example right here, let's just click on add block. Scroll down and just select code. Okay, now from here double click and just simply paste in your code. Okay, let's just review it in safe mode and okay, and as you can see the Facebook post is now show right here. Okay, that's how we add the Facebook feed to your Squarespace website. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video.